Joms TV Media on a beautiful Sunday morning. We're on our way to Cars Plus Coffee Car Meet. Cars Plus Coffee South Car Meet. So it's a fifth leg of this car meet happening every third Sunday of the month. Yan, malapit na tayo. And it's great na makikita na naman natin yung mga friends natin and yung some of the cars and people that we featured during sa ating YouTube channel. Ayan, malapit na tayo, dito na tayo. Alright, ayun, I hope you like this episode. Please continue watching. Please support our channel and so we could create more videos like this. Alright? Okay, so tara, samahan niyo ako. Let's go! Dami. These are the stallions of the South. Hi sir, good morning. Sir, friends natin from Toyota, Alabang. Ayan guys, so dyan lahat yung... Ayan guys, ikot muna tayo. Check out muna natin yung mga court. Yun o. Guys, mga box o. Ayun, sila Sir Raldi. Grabe, laki nung event guys o. Doc! Good morning! Ikot lang po ako. Si Doc, tsaka si Sir Raldi. Guys, ang dami. Guys, yung benso. Oh, Sir Tanto ko. Nandito. Guys, ang dami. Ayan, yung mga 86 and BRZ. Shout out kay ating kapatid na shout out to Captain Gerard Versosa. Yan, sana naka-attend ka dito. Dalhin mo yung BRZ. Okay guys. Ang dami. Daming attendee. Guys, Mr. Lance Casio. Here, Joms TV Media. Good morning.
Shout out kay Joms TV Media.
Salamat. Yun, good to see you again, sir.
Ingat kayo.
Okay. Dami. Natin friends. Solid. Ganda nitong event na to. This is thank you Lord sa weather. Napakaganda ng weather. Guys, so after midnight, huli ka!
Good morning!
Ulit, good morning!
Masyadong maaga itong pito to.
Oh, naman! Masanay ka na. Ay, ikot ako!
Sige!
Guys, si Doc Chris. Doc Chris, good morning po! Ayun, si Doc Chris, Easy Works! Sir, good morning! Kamusta po?
Anong dala nyo? Linis
Oh, malinis
para
lang.
hindi naulanan sa...
Malinis lang, Doc. Doc, see you. Thank you. Guys, Sir Doyle. Good morning. Sorry, late na naman ako. Sorry.
Punta ka doon. Doon yung nakapwesto kami doon.
Sige. Ikot ako. Thank you. Guys, ang daming Yan, yung mga friends natin. Alright, Sir Manny nandun. Okay, tara, parada muna tayo. Let's go. Alright guys, Joms TV Media will already here at the venue of Cars Plus Coffee South. So may mga Volkswagen. Tapos may mga bikes. Ayan, Toyota Camry Elite. Ayan guys, Chinga. Kasama si Lance Casio. Sir, good morning.
O yung t-shirt ko.
Maraming salamat.
Naka-reserve na yun.
Salamat. Thank you, thank you. Guys, Chinga, kung kailangan nyo ng shirt, ayan, yung bagong t-shirt. Ito no, exclusive for the event.
Yes.
O yan, kontakin nyo na Sir James.
PM lang po sa page, sa Chinga.
Yun.
Thank you, thank you.
Alright, thank you.
Abi.
Temptation lang yun.
Ayun. Guys, ito mga old school naman. So ito yung isa sa na-feature natin. Of course, kala Sir Raldi Bayot at saka kala Doc. Yan, yung Celica na yan. Grabe guys. Alright. Okay. Ito tayo. Guys, ang init na. Yung mga friends natin, oh. Pogi, oh. Inang init. Guys, super bit. Solid. Guys. Damn. Friends natin from BRZ and 86 sa Miyata. Pogi. Champion si Carlo. Guys, magazine.
Oh my God. Hello sir. Ito, 86 pesos.
Guys, oh, Boss Ken to. Of
Jones.
Davilan. Davilan crew.
Solo kayo?
Guys, Ostina. Protege Group. Ito. Wow. Damn. Kuha ka po ng Benz, oh. Guys, Benz ni Sir Ryan. Solid. Nice. Guwapo ng Montero. Sir Ken, no? Wow, 124.
Parang cartoon, tapos best pa, may palapi na ano. May nagpa-gila-gila. Yung sa talikod, yung matupag. Ganda Porsche, oh.
Ito. Nice car, huh? Nice pickup, sir. Linis. Oh, shoutout kay Brother Gabi. Ganda nito. Nice. Guys, so Sir John Ong, Johnny Ong. Yan, yun ang isa na feature natin na pinakamaganda, na isa sa mga pinakamagandang box type na, sir.
Hindi naman. Konti
Guys,
lang.
galing pa ng Quezon City si sir, oh.
Malabon.
Malabon pala. O mas malayo pa. Ayan ang kanyang kotse. And hopefully ma-feature din natin. Sir, good to see you again.
Yes.
Buti na lang, sir, maganda yung weather. Monday kasi. Kaya ano ba to? Kay Sir Arnold? Oh guys, so Sir James Bond, no? Si Sir Tonyo. Guys, ito naman yung mga old school, oh. Ayan. Alis na yung mga friends na.
Good morning pa rin, everyone!
Verse 1303, oh.
So, syempre, meron tayong raffle. Yung raffle yung Toyota Yaris. Ay, di ba na?
Ganda!
So, of course, we have raffle prizes from Valvoline. Yan. Of course, from Toyota, meron din tayo. Of course, meron ding raffle si AAP. Ano ba? Sino ba magbibigay ng raffle? Dami ah. Of course, yung test drive ni Toyota Alabang. Baka makalimutan niyo yung test drive. Pwede kayong mag-test drive ng bigat. Wala. So, ano yung test drive? At magpaparapol daw sa madami ng Toyota. Watchback.
Galang to, Sigma.
Of course, meron tayo dito mga coffee para magbuo yung Cars Plus Coffee sa yan. Meron din tayong hotdog. Ito ba yung hotdog?
Guys, kay Sir J.
Kalahati lang ba yung hotdog? Hotdog? Hotdog talaga yung pangalan eh. So yung hotdog, kalahati lang din yung hotdog. Hop eh. Si Jonsky ang pasimuno nitong hotdog na to. Hop na hop. Okay, first winner. Plate number
Guys, Retro Rides out.
CH713. Mr. Sino to? Punta na kayo dito sa
Guys, Retro Rides out, oh.
Namimigay pa ng ano. Back.
Sir Jerome Villostas. Sir, good morning. Good to see you again, sir.
Lahat daw yung
Ayan, sir.
mananalo, maglalagay dito yung minimum 100.
Guys, sabahan nyo, ito na yung feature
Teka,
natin.
yung hotdog ni Jonsky, makikita. Okay, congratulations, sir. Thank you for coming, ha? Next winner.
Akin na, kukuha ko kayo.
Plate number NBQ97.
Guys, ito yung Celeste Gang, oh. Ito yun. Pero hindi sila yung yung mga bank robber. Ay, Sir Doyle, oh. Ay, sir, good morning po. Kamusta? Kamusta? Guys, so Sir Doyle at saka si Ma'am of Bonita Braso de Bonita. Ma'am, good morning. Thank you. Of TCE Toyota Camry Elite. Hey, sir.
Model ng car. Major doctor ito ah. Next winner. Plate number 8AM.
So GTI.
For your raffle prize.
See you.
Sino may gusto na tayo ng battery? May kasama na ito. Turbo. Toyota Hilux, plate number KAM 404.
Guys, huwag nyo masyadong bibiro. Guys, friends natin from old school. Ayun, Sir Jerome. Sir Manny. Sir, good morning.
Pakuna mo na ba yung kotse ko?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Ingat po, ingat. Guys, so Sir Raldi, tsaka si Doc Arvin. Hello sir, good morning po. Guys, ayun o. Yun yung na-feature natin o. Tsaka, asa na yun? Ayun, yung isa pa. Yan. O guys, yung na-feature natin to, di natin nakita yung makina. Kasi hindi na binuksan. Pero yan yun o. Ang ganda ng tono sir.
Bayan, Nissan Sunny yan eh.
Oh, Nissan Sunny. Mga 3SG pala to. Ayan si Sir May-ari. Ayan yung skyline na nakita natin. Guys, friends from Toyota Alabang.
Hey, next winner. Next winner with complete package. Plate number NTG9309.
Guys, easy works.
A
picture. 1, 2, 3. Yun!
Model Toyota Innova. NTG 9309. Si Bossing pala to. Bossing! Ang sobrang lakas ng stop. Please come to AAP booth to claim your raffle prize. You have your Valvoline and you have AAP and Toyota Alabang. Sa si Boss Jeff. Okay, congratulations. One more picture. Hope to see you again sa ating next meet.
Guys, from Jinga.
Meron ba ba?
Guys, Sir Jeff of Valvoline.
Okay, with the plate number UTB 605. Please come to AAP booth. You have won a prize from Toyota Alabang, Valvoline, and AAP. Valvoline ko lang, pwedeng i-mail. chaser. Diretso na muna na to. Thank you, boss, ha. Hope to see you guys again. The next week, sana. Ubusin natin mga boys. Thank you very much again. For Jeff and Factory.
There's Chinga.
Meron tayong taxi, boxy, kusino, tapa, kumaganda. And of course, our coffee. Again,
Guys, if you need accessories from horn,
you'd like to
pedals,
call on
basta yan air freshener.
for the certificate of appreciation. Alabang! Thank you very much.
Ayan, guys, add nyo ang Facebook.
JTM, Crazy JTM Goodies.
You have to receive the certificate of appreciation.
Alright.
Picture lang na
Sir, kamusta po? Ayun guys, so K-Vlogs. Guys, huli may katex, so. Huli ka may katex. Salamat, salamat. Ingat, ingat ha. Ingat, ingat. Ayun yung wire. Tapos ayun yung lip. Oh, di ba? Umangat. Ah! Guys, all about cars, oh. Okay lang yan. Pogi naman yung driver eh.
Ay, thank you.
Ingat ha, ingat. Guys, follow nyo yung...
Follow, like, and share. All about cars.
Follow nyo yung page niya. Sobrang ganda naman. Pag di kayo na-picturean nito, basta mapipicturean kayo. Sir, thank you, ingat.
Ingat,
Ingat. Guys, clean culture, oh. Sir Johnsky. Of course! Eto, ayaw magpahuli nito. Sir, ingat ha! Ingat. Friends from AAP.
Jones TV.
Of course, Sir Carlo of Car Plus Coffee Sound. Salamat.
Jones Coffee, ah.
Good morning. Ayan guys, dito na tayo sa event. Sir Carlo Castro in the house. Sobrang busy. Ayan, dito na tayo guys. Smile naman dyan.
Ay, joke. Bigyan, pababa ka na dyan. Bilisan mo.
Yes sir.
May dala kaming bago para sa'yo.
Oy, maraming salamat. Oh guys, ayan. Ayan, friends natin from Yokohama.